Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about dark energy as I said in my last video. Because maybe you watched my series or not, but I was trying to postpone it as much as I could possibly because it was most important, and now maybe it will all click for you, maybe it won't. You'll see. So let's get right to it because there is no need to make this longer. And so, dark energy.
Big brain time.
Scientists speculate about it, but they don't really know about it. Nor do I, it's just my own theory.
Fake.
But dark energy is like other, like some energy. Like it's another, not even kind of energy. It's completely in itself other. Like there is energy and there is dark energy. Dark energy isn't a part of energy.
Nine's fine drain. My answer is 9.
And so it has pretty interesting properties. It allows objects to move. That will be explained in some, or maybe it even was already. I can't remember. But also, it can create dark things like dark atoms, dark matter, even black holes. It makes possible for gravity to exist and to work. At least I see that.
Great, another one. Roses are red, violets are blue. You will die. I'm not sorry for you.
Hmm. It is transferred through uh, like dark force. It is transferred through dark force. You can't really detect it because it it doesn't like to be detected. I mean, it doesn't like to work with our energy. They both like dislike each other. Of course, they have to coexist, so the universe loses the least amount of energy. What is the origin of dark energy? The same as energy. We don't know. I don't know. I mean, how could I even know? Hmm. Because it works like energy, it can also be used to move things, change them, create them, destroy them. Anything you want to do with them, you can. But, of course, it has to be in it, its own realm. Let's call it that. Like there is a realm of energy, like this hand is in the realm of energy, and there is also dark energy, dark realm of energy, or realm of dark energy. Doesn't really matter. Why do these two don't just coexist? Because they don't. I don't really have a question for why do they not. And if you have any questions about it, there is always that comment section. I say in every video. Editor is really bored. Okay, but going back, what color is it? Energy doesn't really have color or color, however you want to pronounce that. But what it has, I mean, if we had receptors to like be able to feel it or at least register it, then we could see it. I mean, really, we could then see it. In what colors? maybe even the same. I mean, what we see is because our brain decides to see it like this. This is this color because this is this color and not that color, or even that one. Man, wow, here it shows darker than it really is. It can be absorbed, it can be released, but I already said that. It can change into matter, it can change into. It can. Maybe it's even the thing that creates dark, no, not dark, but antimatter in some way. Because, well, it's a little bit weird. From what is dark antimatter created? What kind of energy? Because we have normal, we have dark, and antimatter what? It has anti-energy, but then why is it created when two particles clash? Then maybe it's created from normal energy, but okay, so no, not now, not now. This is supposed to be about dark physics. I think this is going to be all. I can't really be sure, but I cannot really find anything more useful that I could say in my. Whoa! Whoa! When I really cannot speak English, can I? I'm so professional that I'm unprofessional. That is an achievement to have.
You have been diagnosed with extreme dampness. The only cure for that is to delete yourself from existence. You shouldn't have even been created.
No, I don't have a way to calculate it. I'm bad at mathematics. Or I don't know, I just know too little and cannot create equations out of thin air. Because this is basically dark physics. When you're trying to create something, you need to find a question, try to answer it, and somehow incorporate into dark physics. But you cannot observe it, you can't really measure it. You can only throw the dice and hope you get it right. So, if you have any questions, there is a reason comment section exists. Ask them, don't worry, I answer them. No problem. Going back, or at least getting back. As I said, comment your thoughts, questions, answers, anything. Just comment something, I'll be happy. Next video, well, I intended to be quite interesting. I hope you will like it, but I'm not going to spoiler anything besides. It's not going to be about dark physics or mathematics. So I'll just do something other. Maybe you'll be surprised, maybe not. So, because I mostly talked about everything in dark physics, shoot he tak shoot here. Shoot here. Shoot here. Shoot here. Here should appear that playlist with every video. I think it's there, and I hope you liked what I did, and see you in the next one, as always. Bye.